Assalamualaikum students, how are you? I hope you'll be fine. Students, today I'll teach you English unit number 9, page number 164 and 165. Topic is future time. Students, now let us start. In English, the verb does not have different endings to express future time. There are two ways of expressing future time in the verb. Number one, the most common way to express the future is with the modal verb will followed by the infinitive. For example, I will be there. Next example, he will go to Multan tomorrow. Next example, we will meet in Islamabad next Monday. Next example, they will be angry if you don't go. Modal verbs are auxiliary verbs, also known as helping verbs. They work with other verbs to show various conditions such as possibility or necessity. For example, can or cannot, may or may not, and should, shall, will, could, might, etc. The modal verb can be contracted or shortened. For example, I'll, you'll, he'll, she'll, it'll, will, they'll. The contracted negative form of the modal used for every pronoun and subject noun is want. For example, I have frequently told him not to do that, but he won't listen to me. Next, number 2 पर point है. Another way of expressing the future is to use be going to plus the infinitive. This is often used in spoken English. Examples इसमें नंबर 1 पर एग्जाम्पल है व्हेन आई ग्रो अप आई एम गोइंग टू बी अ नर्स. नेक्स्ट नंबर 2 पर एग्जाम्पल है आर यू गोइंग टू कम विद अस टू द सिनेमा दिस इवनिंग. नेक्स्ट नंबर 3 पर एग्जाम्पल है वी आर गोइंग टू ट्रेवल अराउंड द वर्ल्ड वन डे. नेक्स्ट नंबर 4 पर एग्जाम्पल है he is going to take some photographs in the Shalimar Gardens. Next number 5 पर एग्जाम्पल है they are going to cancel their holiday because Manfred is ill. Next point, certain words and phrases can act as markers indicating that generally a future form is required in the verb. Examples next week, next year, in the future, the month after next, tomorrow, the day after tomorrow, this evening, from now on. Students, आज का लेक्चर यहाँ कंप्लीट हुआ. I hope you will be understood this lecture. Students, kindly write down this work on your notebooks. Okay, Allah Hafiz.